Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, Karen Prudence, Let's Stitch and Make Up. And today is day 15 of our advent calendar with Kitchener Yarn Co. And it's a 25-day yarn event calendar. So here is 15. And let's take a look at this gorgeous baby. Look at that. Oh my gosh. He said over nice. Look at, oh, it's so plush. That ever pretty. See that nice close up right there? Yeah, that's like what that is. Now let's take a look to see if we can see anything on the label. And it is 54% acrylic, 28% wool, and 18% polyester, and it's a 100-gram ball. And that is squishy and soft, and I really like this color. It almost feels, it has like a gray kind of almost purpley look with it. And how do y'all like my hat? Dingle dingle dingle, ho ho ho, Merry Christmas. You know, I sound like the Jolly Green Giant, ho ho ho, Green Giant, or whatever, however he says it. But there we go, and here is the label, where it shows you Kitchener Yarn Co. and their website. And I really think y'all should do this next year because it is amazing. All the things you get, I've loved every day. And she throws in little extra treats like coffee or tea or hot chocolate or a bath pod, things like that. And you get a ton of yarn. Like I got two boxes jam-packed full. And the second box is in my yarn room. And I had to grab these days out of there, like 13, 14, 15. And the rest it's still really full. And so all the yarn that I got from this, I put it in the first box now after opening it. And that box is stacked full. Like, I mean, it's just stacked up to the top, 2 levels full of yarn. So just wait till we see the final end. When we get up to 25, that other box is going to be full with yarn because these are going to have to go in the second box. There's not enough room in the first box for these ones. And 25, oh, I looked ahead. I took a sneak peek. Just a little tiny one. I didn't open the bag. That's not kind of the sneak peek that I did. I looked in the box, and I lifted up the other days to look at 25. Oh, mama. That one is big. That is a big package. Oh, I'm just dying to open up. The 25th can't get here fast enough for me. So, again, day 15. Hey, we got more to go, people. So, have yourselves a great night. Merry Christmas to you and yours from my family. Stay safe and have a blessed day. I love you all. Great big hugs to you. See you tomorrow. And another close-up. Bye-bye.